Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day. Change up.
Yeah, again.
Okay. Hello. How you doing?
Doing fine.
It's been a while.
Yeah, lots of while.
Lots of time. Okay.
Hello everyone, I missed you so much.
Yeah, we missed you too.
Thank you.
Oh, your bed. I like your bed.
Thank you.
Wee, I like your bed. It fit right, man.
Yeah.
You have even more space, little table, yes, and everything. Yeah, the fridge come out and thing now.
Yeah.
Yes, it's a good look. Better look.
Right time before, see, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes, you have to look right, isn't it?
Of course. Easier, no more comfortable. High five. High five. High five. That was cool.
Nice.
Nice.
Great.
Yeah, this morning, she wake up, she went to school this morning. I have to watch it, say, because maybe program, I got to work up, run, come back, sign in and come back. She wake up this morning and baby blood run from her nose.
Yeah.
You feel here, but around third time per week it happened. So, at the second and next month she go to the hospital, I say, let's go on.
Watch her go on.
Yeah. You know?
Okay.
As I said, the house kind of hot away.
Yeah.
Being so.
Me used to have that problem as well, you know, me young, yeah.
Really?
Wake up and my nose I bleed.
So I'm concerned about it.
Back to back.
I feel away that I run come back again quick.
Yeah.
The supervisor tell sure I will go on and still can go on home. See? Because she don't know the situation I go through.
Yeah.
So she give me the leadership ball and can go home and look about her. Because I want to watch her monitor straight through the leadership.
And see, yeah.
You know, she not like that happen still.
Yeah. I remember one time I used to wake up in the middle of the night, you know, nose I bleed. I was in the morning, early morning there.
This man have to rush her go out and do all the man. Look her up.
I hold back her head so.
Yeah, but the man said not hold back her, but they run out.
Make it run out. Oh.
Blood. The same time I tell her to blow her out. There.
Some clot blood like.
Clot blood.
Yeah.
And this come out.
The same experience we used to have too.
So, I never like it, see me, I tell you. You see, I feel emotional. You see me?
Of course.
Emotional take me over right away, me I tell you the truth.
And because you don't know what the cause of it.
I don't know the cause of it still,
yeah.
And I beg my youth go great pan the day and she said me say, it's not fair, hold back her if it run out.
Take it run out?
Yeah.
Okay.
Run right out, because where she is, it's warm.
Sometimes they say they eat.
Even the fan beats, what am I saying, it's warm.
Can cause it too?
Yeah.
And she not feeling a headache?
No, she not. Monitor from there, she not sign pain or nothing at all like that. So right out, I cry about children. I mean, that is it. I not try to wait till the second
or the third.
Right now. No, I not wait till the third. I wait from the first sign. I mean that. I not wait for the second.
Yes.
Because I got blood down. I tell you the truth. I don't want that wait me, is it?
I don't know what's the problem.
So I just cry about straight, is it?
So how you feel otherwise? You okay?
Yeah.
Okay, no headache, nothing at all.
Yeah.
You have headache?
Not really that much. Anytime it gets hot, my head hurts.
Oh, when it gets hot?
Yeah, or my thirsty or something.
Oh.
The children call me because she go to night. And big bus a man to call me and tell me cry the second.
Oh,
So
they pushed
the
earlier.
second of June. So I prepare to cry when the second of June. I say, I'm not rush cry. I go
Yeah.
right away. So I just keep on monitoring and them way this thing.
And them say we under heat wave as well too, you
Yeah,
know.
when the dust, me not for the sawdust.
Yeah.
Come over. And
Yeah.
because bonfire, me not, when she go out the door, me tell her to go in back in the back part of the yard. The them dust there, by studying the dead flesh, people were from way back, dust no rise,
Oh.
the skin off of your flesh rise. Show them my belly properly, dead flesh.
I tell you what the Sahara does at all.
Yeah, man. So I not me have to study bonfire.
Yeah.
About history, because I have the internet and I study
Yeah.
bonfire still.
So them say the dead flesh them.
Yeah, dead flesh and dead within.
Yeah.
Them people now. Because you don't know.
Very
At
properly.
them time there, people never.
Very properly.
Yeah.
Sahara. I have to go Google it and so I go and
Yeah, man, for real, man. Within.
Yeah. I say never donation, I say me that pass by, you know. Yeah man, from D-Rock, you know, D-Rock design. So big up to Goldie, you know, because Goldie saying I don't need to copy it. Yeah, from D-Rock design. 4,000 a year from D-Rock design, you know, North London. So that's 4,000 from D-Rock design.
D-Rock design. Or you have from your mind, because
Yeah.
you don't even GP member,
Yeah.
Shannon. And look at the program like Chino. Then, you know,
Yeah.
well, I appreciate where you're looking right now, because
It's a really
why
a
come it's a
blessing.
blessing, because the gas done and
Yes, done
yeah.
Jaja.
You see it?
That come right in time.
Right in time, you see? So, keep us
D-Rock
D-Rock.
Yeah.
This
design.
design,
Yeah.
so, blessed.
Come the right time, imagine
He's
that.
he's a blessed person.
Yeah.
I tell you that. So continue with all the still card. What you do? Eh? It's a pleasure, is it, to the Father, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Real, because you said it the right time, is it?
Yeah, because you know
Yeah,
it's a
'cause-
food for cooking. You know?
Yeah, so I'm kind of done right now on the flames.
Yeah.
Yeah. I got flames tomorrow, is it?
Yes,
so
sir.
that's how I think said. Why me I touch, I'm not going to touch it.
Yeah, true.
Pray.
Yeah, well, I'll give thanks
Yeah,
to
man,
Goldie.
give thanks and
Goldie, thank
Goldie.
you so much. You see that
Yeah.
come at the right time because
Yeah.
you said the gas finish. You
Yeah.
know, that can buy about gas. So we big up Goldie, you know, from D-Rock Design, North London. We thank you so much for that donation. You know, the father can buy about gas now. You know,
Yeah.
so at least he can have gas, guys, because trust me, it finished. And now he can have back. So you can thank Goldie.
Thank you, Goldie. You may shine bright as the gold or the sun. And I also learned something from the sun. It's not a huge star. It's a wait a minute. A middle-sized star. A middle-sized star. So, yeah, it's 3 million meters away from the Earth and all planets. And that's what I learned in science. I'm actually going good in science.
You're going good in science.
Yeah,
Wow. I can see that.
I got lots of mark.
In science?
Yeah,
Hey, yes. Ben, you want to say something? You want to say thank you, Goldie?
Thank you, Goldie.
Yeah. Make your food basket never empty.
Make your food basket never empty.
Okay, and that's Ben. Thank you so much. You know, Shanette, man, the intelligent one. Yeah, man, so we'll give thanks, man, Papi, man, you know?
So I think that, you know, so go there, you're a blessing, is it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, see it? Right, I said come from.
Yeah.
Yeah, so bless up yourself and you have a nice straight for the year still and may God bless you still, is it?
Yes, come at the right time.
Yeah, so I think you said, love you for that, yeah?
Love and love alone. All right, Shanette.
Bless
high
up Tina
five.
for everything when you still right now still, is it?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
High five. High five. High five. High five, man. Take care, right? I like your bed, you know? I like your bed.
High five.
I really
said-
like your bed.
I said, Ben, not double high five. You should give one high five.
They're going to have to give me high five too. Alright.
Very nice, man.
Yeah.
I really like your bed. So you set up properly now, don't you?
Yeah, bed.
Nice, nice.
I like it.
Yeah, you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
I like
your
it
bed.
too. I like it too.
Like it too.
The fan over there, so you have to get a standing fan door, papi. Because the summer got
The fan spin steering can spin.
You want one for
Still
sure?
have the fan put in a little bit by yours.
Yeah, you want one at the mirror, a standing one for the right here, so you know? A head blow.
I don't want to happen to her. Because when I go up, I must say, fan base hot.
Mm-hmm.
And the wall,
Yeah, capture the heat
yeah,
as
the heat
well.
and the heat
too.
comes
East
through
to
in
it.
the house. So food there, so now. It's never used to sleep in so hard still. But you take out the food and
Yeah,
everything
yeah.
and the couch from here, so.
Yeah, man, you need a
And
standing
I
fan.
put her there still, then tonight still. Not tell the truth, so I sleep in there, so.
Yeah, next to daddy.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So I sleep there,
Yeah, man. Alright then. You want to be yourself and go and do the right thing, you know?
So give thanks and
Yeah, man.
again to everyone.
Yeah. Alright then. Bye. Take it easy, right?
Alright, thanks
Yes,
and
sir.
bless yourself.
Yeah, man, every time.
Respect
Alright.
the manners again.
Yeah.
Lifestyle.
Honorable.
Yeah, man. You love yourself, you know.
Every time.
Aye. Come on, watch your history.
Yeah, give thanks, man.
You love yourself.
Yeah.
Keep it up, brother.
Aye, what you say? Yeah.
We're not pick up.
You not pick up?
Can't pick up. So, but I suppose today's what?
To that full day.
No chocolate.
Yeah, it's a full day today.
Saturday, man. Oh, boy.
Today's a full day. Alright guys, so everything goes welcome, everything's okay and from Jamaica. Today's the Ibis Spice Day and it's a healthy beer, you know. So yes guys, so I'm gonna get a food today. I'm not getting a burger, I'm literally gonna get a food. You know, so a 60 meal of food right now, so that's what I'm gonna do. You know? It's a food's day, not a food's day, but a food day, you know?
Aye.
So guys, remember Ibis Spice is 131 Iron Street. You can't miss it. If you miss it, you miss it. If you miss it, you miss your health. So you know, once you're here, you have to go and pass through Ibis Spice. You want to get that real healthy food. So today I'm gonna get that food that's called all-purpose. You know, it's all-purpose for all over your body people.
Aye, it's more.
So it goes to the restaurant and we gotta watch what I go and see it. Give them a greetings.
Good.
Yeah,
Tape.
that tape. Guys in area.
I give a spice for them. I go out with a vibe seeing me. And keep my life. So, man, say,
And it's so straight.
not leave.
Not leave. Sure.
Yeah, I make I find a spot, your brother. Trust me. Yeah, I make I find a spot, you know.
Yeah.
I give you a sound one at a time, you know.
Yeah.
And I ask her, where the place there?
Yeah.
Which part of Orange Street? I'm here to say Orange Street still, but me never really pick up.
I wish part of Orange Street.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So when you show me and give me some direction,
Yeah.
I'm straight up and find it. You see it?
Alright.
Honorable man.
I never rang about it though.
No wrong, no wrong.
The breadfruit burger.
Great.
Great. So,
For years from I sip up actual food.
yeah.
I never see nowhere downtown.
Never.
I can never find nowhere yet.
Yeah.
Cause even if they have a liquor, veg, some fish or something I go on.
Yeah.
You know, when I go there. So,
Yeah,
you know,
true.
when the thing does straight, you natural, right? You know? Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Give a
So-
thanks, man.
Yeah, man. So you see, I never wrong.
Never wrong.
Never give a wrong information, man. Even the smoothie, good as well.
Yeah, man, mighty full, man. The sip one ready to man. I have to request it along and thing. See?
Alright.
Yeah.
So,
I go on, man. I go on.
go on.
Yeah, man. I go thing up, man.
See there? So, wanna get the information right, trust me. Once they come up Orange Street, they can't miss it.
Yes, sir.
You know, and the man say it as well for himself. The man say, yo, it a go on.
I
You know?
go spice.
Eyeball spice. You know? When say eyeball spice. Eh? Yeah, man. The man said, when him see it on the program, he have to pass through.
Yeah, I want to know where you're in the
Yeah, man, I have to pass through.
I hear where you're in the
And as him say, the burger never run, the Iger.
I want to hear where you're in the real thing.
See him like how I say taste, I see him with that going. Oh man. The noon done as well? Noon done?
You know that, man.
Oh, no, I want one more. It's done. Why I want the fire do me I tell you. If you want it for a volcano night. Let me get one more then. Yeah, fire up and all like. See the right in front of you. A kick. So this is kicking. Kicking. Let me say you can research, you can Google Noonie. Right, you can see the health benefit for what Noonie good for. And to have the bell pepper inside of it, you know, some will say call it cayenne pepper. You know, trust me, this one is oil. So trust me, it have a lot of health benefit. You can check it out, you know, Google it and you can see for yourself what and what it good for. If you're really in need of a Noonie for your system, you know. Everybody need a Noonie. Everyone need a Noonie. Oh, this one is firing, like really firing, guys. Yeah, the charger and music. But
Alright, we need to inform the people then.
yeah,
What time the meal ready.
yeah.
I have some people that come from far
And I come early.
and them a come too Shirley. It's
Too
not
Shirley. Yeah.
Them say, wow, what a way.
Says,
You see me I say?
so what time?
And
you go?
really disappointed. You see them forward from so far
Yeah,
and they get what they want. You see me I say?
yeah.
So and normally I like 12:30 so
Opening time.
opening time, you see me I say? But what man can't get like a fry and them things still, but the meal,
What them want?
yeah,
is
what them want and everything ready.
from 12:30.
Yeah man, you see me I say?
Alright then, guys.
Yeah man, kind of disappointed to see
Yeah.
the people in face when them
Come
forward so Shirley. You see me I say?
Yeah.
Yeah man,
So you hear that guy, so
yeah man.
so the opening time, you know, the thing goes from 12:30 at least.
No, not say opening time, you know.
But
Because we normally,
to get your meal and your breadfruit burger.
The right, everything, you see me I say?
Yeah, so to get your meal and your breadfruit burger is open from 12:30, but open before, but you get your fry like your plantain,
No, I think that's
fried
nice, eh?
breadfruit
And
and
them stuff there.
But
And other is a thing like the pumpkin, you know?
yeah,
And
but
I
to get the
think-
meal from about 12:30 and your breadfruit burger from them times, you know, and everything else is good and you sip as well. Don't forget the sip. Don't forget the sip. But they're here earlier, we can get your fry and your smoothie and you drink same meal. You know, but for the meal, after them times, you know. So when you come here too Shirley, they don't say early and then say Shirley. Yeah, that's why you won't get the meal, you know. But after the afternoon times, you're good.
But look at this.
Oh. What's this? The bird. It's not a plane. This is the bird. This is a spoon bird. Wow.
Look at it.
This bossy. This
Yeah, man, it's
bossy,
massive.
guys.
So every time you forward, we always have something new for you.
Yeah. Look at this. Bossy.
See what I'm saying? And if you want, you can use it as decoration or you can use it.
Yeah. It's bossy.
The boss, you know?
Yeah. Post up like trophy. Yeah. Yes, guys, this looks good. A spoon. The soup sit right inside of this. Of course, for the use of the elders, you know?
Mike, give it up. Yeah, brother.
Every time, yes, sir.
Protection.
Yeah. Alright, so me I go feed my pig again. Man, I'll do that. Christmas is here. So imagine all of this in my system right now. Can't go wrong. Can't go wrong at all. Guys, we're gonna have a feasting. As usual, here's some for you and some for me. Like a lightning. Like a lightning. Ailalu. Avocado. Plantain. Pumpkin and string bean. Right here. Turn cornmeal. This is courage, this is chickpea and quinoa. Quinoa. And over here you have beans, red beans and your broad beans. A beetroot, make it a truth. Shredded coconut. And this is chow chow. And at the bottom here, at the end, this is some dasheen. Okay, we can grease the machine. So, I give you a lowdown, a rundown on what I'm eating guys. So now, let me go eat and get back to you. So that's the road to go take and remember.
A pine and passion. Pine, passion and cherry. That one there, right?
Cherry and pineapple.
Yeah, I'm passion. The one.
Cherry and pine and passion. On to the almond.
Me have a almond.
With the pumpkin seed.
No, but I can't get round to that one there. Yeah, put me out tell you honestly, you know, Dan.
I want the bad with the pumpkin
The
seed.
pumpkin seed, yeah.
Yeah, man, the pumpkin seed together.
Yeah, man. What can I tell you? Wow, we need our groups there. So we train the youth and
Yeah.
Put them no one to work, you know.
Put them too lazy.
I really want to build a franchise and can't build it.
Yeah. And the younger generation them, bro.
Yeah, man. So we train the youth and we tell them.
Show them what go on and now. Everything finished. Everything done. Clean the plate. But I'm gonna leave some grains and gravy and some kind and some color. You know? That a true. That is me for you. Yes, I don't left none for you. I never left none for you. I eat everything in my belly. Sorry I never left none for you. So, I'm me that now. So, I'm going to hit the road. I'm going to hit the road, go to Trenchtown, pick up Esther, and go up by Cranberry to give them some donation. You know, pick up first. So, you know, journey after take on. Belly well full now. Straight.
Yeah, man. We keep dancing.
Yeah, man. Aye.
Yeah, man. That's it.
Oh God, I feel well fed, guys. I'm not even lying. Well fed, like a baby. You overeat. Yes, I'm well overfed. It's like I can't move. God damn. So stay tuned, guys. You know the thing goes. I am going on the road. So blessed love, blessed love. Yeah, stay.
Yeah.
Alright guys, well. Oh, the sun is out. The sun is red. Yeah, the sun is really red. And I really like. Yeah. Alright guys, you know there was a little girl on the program that already came to Cranberry the last time, which is they said, look at my cousin. You know, there's a family to the family as well too. You know, and she was wearing a Calvin at the last time and was giving out the teddy bear and them stuff there. You know, so we have two of our extended family decide to donate something to them as to her as well too. You know, so one of them want us to literally buy like bra and pants for her, which is from Ione. Want us to do that. Yeah. So Ione. So Ione want us to buy bra and pants for her. So we're gonna go same place and get the brown pantry we get it from Nana. As good.
Nana.
No, from Cranberry. Yeah, I said Nana. So I don't even remember her name. The girl, yeah. I don't. Yeah, so the Cranberry family.
No, a twin cousin.
A twin cousin.
Twin cousin.
Cranberry's a step cousin.
Our step cousin. Yeah, it's a Cranberry, you know. Cranberry wants a lick.
Cranberry's a step cousin. I don't know so what they get it. No man, up here still.
Oh, we are really coming up.
Yeah. I wonder if we can buy the something here for my best friend.
Oh, the money.
Yeah, in the same place, that's all.
Yeah, probably.
So we're back here in Savrin. Back here in Savrin. So, you know, I got my little best friend. It's her birthday today as well too. And she told me that she wants a mermaid for her birthday. So I'm gonna see them having a mermaid inside here as well too. She's my best friend. Whenever she sees me say bestie, you know, so it's her birthday, so I have to get her something for her birthday. Have to.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Kind of. Four?
Eh, Oli, I'm going to come back.
She around how much?
Size 40, but maybe. Like these.
What can I get for my bestie? What kind of mermaid that she wants? Is that a mermaid or that? A dolly? Oh. Them not have no mermaid dolly in here.
No, me not going no mess. I don't know if she will
Yeah.
like it.
Yeah, have it. I guess them have it. Like this, mermaid dolly. Oh. Give me the next color what they behind. Tree and altar. Esther, shall I be how much?
5. That's what I thought Cranberry.
You see that's 3 and up.
Yes, 6. Yeah, she get mermaid.
I'm 100.
Yeah, she about.
So this will go fair, right?
Yeah, man, she get a mermaid. I want to show the video with the girl.
Alright, so see my best to give you. It's well wrapped. So she want mermaid. So she get her mermaid. You know. My little bestie. Yes. It's her birthday, so you're gonna see my bestie.
correct size.
So guys, so here what's gonna happen, they don't have a size, so what we have to do, we have to literally get a correct size for a bra and also panty as well if she wants us to get. So we're gonna go up there to visit her and give her a donation, and then now we get it next day because we don't have a correct size, and we went, they don't have any size for her, you know, because Esther have an idea but they never have anything that would fit her. So we will get a correct size when we go up there, and then we just get it the next day for her, you know. So I will just give her a donation at the same speed that I receive as well. So we're going to head up there right now, and then now we'll see what goes on. Empty. Whoever over there attack them. Yeah. Nobody can go over there, so.
I can't relate to that. As a Jamaican, so I share your thoughts, please, and thanks to WhatsApp like that. But I go with him now. But I go with him now. I'm sorry.
I think I'm going to reserve my coming I can't even good slow down now. Georgia in what's that? Never hurry. Georgia. Yeah, but because the first response to keep coming in. And you see that? Okay, you see what I'm talking about? So Georgia said good afternoon, Georgia. It's afternoon now. Good afternoon, guys. Conflicted. Please stay with your wife. You're not allowed to have your cake and eat it. Those 2 years was just what it was. A tea. It was cute.
And it's your cake. Why you can't touch it? That phrase there.
Listen, man. Go on to your wife. Go home to your wife until I say find a man and then you responding now to the service. I can find a man and leave her alone. Their name is Gravity says she better go on the board. Debbie says I will stay with the family. Diana says, first stay with your wife, you not with your wife and regret it. You don't know what you're conflicted about. But he said, if I'm so man who wrote it, I gave the ultimate song. First, this is what makes you happy. Don't let your wife stop you from finding your story.
Charge. White was this?
Remember, he and wife said that was far. If everything for the woman he loves, they wear two states. So it's like, yeah, there's two ways on that.
White nose.
So when Mrs. Kelly was the booker, weren't you the one who made a vow and then decided to love another? Didn't you know you can't serve two masters at once? You can't even love two persons at the same time unless you will love one more than the
White
other.
nose.
You must know, you can't be. Yeah. I take this here for the thing and please bring it up as a word and listen to a song. The thing is that there is always done. So the woman should definitely know what she's getting into asking a married man to treat her. On the male's end, I hope
The water is very clear today.
a hotel over.
Very clear.
Bunny in New York says I swear
What, Boma? What's in the kitchen?
Me and my wife is still friends.
Oh,
I beg you very pardon,
some fish something.
Nicole said, pick up the
Soap.
my advice is to stay with your wife.
Sip up.
She has a
Come on,
man
always a
that's
sip
why
up.
she's not giving you no time. And
Always
if
a
you
sip
stay with
up.
her, she's going to burn you up all the day free. Nicole, you did listen to
Yeah.
the letter on the read? Mr. Webb. Bigger is when Nicole. Mr. Webb returns and says 2 words. Polygamous relationship. Convince them that you're a king. Otherwise, your children come first, not the wife, not the flame. Don't disappoint the children and break apart the family setting. Setting they know. Don't be selfish. Tracing half a tree
The water temperature
stay
boom.
with your family, you might
And
just
we're clear
regret
and
it.
pretty now.
Or you might not. Baby Villa says, stick to the
Let me get to the
grass,
bathroom,
you
to the
know, it's family. But if you can manage, both amicably can work. Terry Ann says he should leave her alone and consider it as fun while it lasts, because I wouldn't risk my family. I don't know what Asian Brain said, but he was speaking to, but he said exactly Alice. Let's go. Family. Leave her alone, family first. Maybe I said, me not read back no letter, maybe I will do better. I'll break it down for them. Asian Brain says I think he made a stupid decision from the get-go. It sounds like he don't have any more feelings for his wife. So he should leave his wife long time. He should not wait until he go and cheat on his wife. When you're coming out and asking this question, but I guess this is your choice to make. Just as how you made the choice to go and cheat. You choose yourself now. What would make you feel comfortable? Marvin says,
Timber! Guys, I know this is so wonderful, but
it can be that
I'm not going to stay here too long today. So we're going to go look for that little girl and give her a donation. So I hope you're enjoying this video, and I hope you already put the thumbs up as well too. Never forget to put the thumbs up.
Real. Georgia, only together. Contain yourself, man. Literally, laugh, keep crying, but I keep laughing to keep crying.
Grab some more.
Tonight the number is 392-217-876-392-617 once again.
See, you have a lot of two over there.
217.
Yeah, I'm gonna do something for the man body, you know what I mean?
Some drink.
Yeah, man. I'm gonna do my thing, man. I'm mix it with some tambourine. You see me, make this now, I'm gonna shake out some tambourine.
I want to drink some. The day before yesterday. And an eyeball spice.
Mix with the tambourine?
Yeah, man. God, man. You have it too.
I have it too, man. But you have to give me them my food, them kid. I'm not treat
You know to treat that, of course.
I'm never tell a woman how to deal with Rasta. I tell her. It's not authentic. Because not every woman. Some woman I know if you give them money.
Yeah.
Know for both.
Some woman know.
Some queen in the earth right now said here. In around the western part, I know how to treat a king. They work hard.
I am no
all them
woman,
things now.
my
If she not gonna look them now, but she buy them.
Yeah.
And we do her thing and say, yo, be a this for making up.
Thinking too.
We feel like a little thing and tongue and them something that
Yeah.
I think that's all want all lose all the
Them for
time.
know.
I too ready.
Thinking
She
too.
accepted you at first, but now she wants you for
And the mic.
Alright? Did I read this?
So Rasta go and sip up a pot.
No.
So come back. Esther, I feel like a girl and gear this. Can't ease up. You know what happened if we ease up? Yeah. So one few. No, so the wall of my pants I feel tight now, I'm not lying. Same feelings again I get. Me I put on weight man for my ties them man. Guys, I see them thing again.
Oh, thick ties?
Yeah. The ties them I put on weight. She there, yeah?
Boom down the saw. One a boom down the saw.
Stop the fighting so early in the morning.
Black one just steady.
Yeah. Alright guys, alright. My apple for soon. Excuse now. Alright.
Come here. Come here.
You see him? Look, come on.
Oh, I'm a friend. Oh, me like me.
But the girl when they come at the party where you say your step cousin. Yeah, 9. Where she live? Oh, Merlin. Alright. No I want to know, man.
Need me some more. Nana, you see now.
The man so come pick them when you come. And so why we have pick them and we make them soft.
You don't have to pick them if you don't pick them already. We'd have something for 9.
You have to give them mother. They see a mother where you give it is her auntie. Everything where you give she give them it. I don't know. Now my mama get things here and she keep it.
No, I don't want to say 9 because I want to see her size. Because I want to buy something for her.
We are not already the same size.
You are not already the same size.
No, me and I same age. Yeah.
Oh, you're not already the same size.
Why you change your hairstyle every minute?
What you mean yourself?
No, me I say every time when you come up, I go change your hairstyle.
I don't change my hairstyle.
No, me I say every time when you come up.
Every time I come up.
Yeah. Yeah, change it, yeah. Oh, my teacher, yeah, I said today. Bro, tell Tina say come check me.
Come check.
Check her. Yeah, she said today, every day, yeah, come give me money and she not get nothing. Oh, when I'm going in 6th grade, I could take her picture. So
When I go in 6th grade?
Yeah. So she said she would tell her how much I could pay and she said, my sister ain't have no money for pay, so I could tell Tina to help you.
You need to take photos when you're going on 6th grade? When you're going?
For graduate.
Graduation. When at graduation?
No. When I she said, you see look man? I'm on the look man them I take for them photo. And them say when you go in a
when you are ready for graduation?
No, she has some to tell her see I'm weird.
Oh.
She said when I'm ready for graduate, I'm going to pay to take the picture for graduate.
Alright guys, so basically Nine, that's her name, Nine. So she's not here. Apparently she don't live in the area, right? She don't live in the area. She live up Maryland. She live in Maryland.
And you have to just turn up a Blackie Park, look now?
And go up the road.
I asked 9.
Yeah, so guys, as I say,
that far now. So
she was the one who was going to buy a bra and panty for her, you know, from Ione. And also we have a donation for her as well too, you know, so I guess she's not here. I thought she lived here, you know, because she must see her up there the last time.
Oh, true, man. It not.
Right there.
Come tell her, say, if you not come, anything you got here, I'm going to make you keep it and you
but
see
she
her.
never know when I come. So who she have up there as family?
Look no, you see the same mother where you go to? Is her auntie.
Which mother?
Look man mother is her auntie.
Okay.
Anything when she gets, she give her when she come down.
Alright, it's tomorrow. Alright, so we need to go see look man mother then.
Yes.
And see she can tell her to come down here alright, tomorrow.
Be a bus stop like me.
Yeah, I'm saying she can come in here tomorrow then.
Alright. So if she not come Friday, I'm going to come
tomorrow Friday.
Yeah, tomorrow Friday for real daddy.
Yeah.
If she say me not correct you correct me.
So we'll go down there.
Okay.
Yeah, go say I'm gonna tell her. So
see them do part the somewhere Chrissy give me yesterday. See that sir? So they come normally.
Where?
You said I'll take care of you and then want to come see.
I'll go see
No, well.
No.
Still not feeling well. She warm? Yeah, she have temperature. Hush, Nana. But she have the flu?
She don't wheeze.
She don't wheeze still, but she warm.
I'm flu girl.
She's very, very warm. You carry her go doctor?
Yeah, I'm carry her. Oh, she?
Yeah.
No. You get the nebulizer them for 1 month. So when it normally finishes, like it normally you see she bring her guy, you see.
But she not only weak, she have cough, so like she have cold.
We're not going to treat her. But actually, she have wheeze. No, you can see so she have wheeze. She have to go treat the cold. Actually, my mother got doctor and she did cough medicine and did antibiotic for the cold on her chest.
And she's very, very warm.
Yeah,
she's warm. And it's not another asthma.
No, not asthma is.
She's sick. She has the flu.
Girl.
Yeah, the flu shell.
I want fun.
I treat something my mother got shirt. Cough medicine. Antibiotic. Take on it.
Yeah, and the flu that she have.
And so the cooler gear infection and her stomach, so it might prevent it.
So Nana, you feel weak as well? No? You have headache? No?
You only a cough
I look at my father, I used to buy the pill at the pub.
Oh, yesterday?
And today when she come from school, she stop on her force.
For breathe?
No, like she stop and sit down and spit every minute. I see she spit. So I say one tear. I have to bring one more bag. Her teacher say, help her carry shadows. Look now. Look now. Yes, it be now.
When they see she
I want taxi, me take come home.
Yeah.
But she bring it to
Cause she
her.
spend the 100, 2 bills she could bring home, I'ma spend 100 and then I say, we forget about 100.
So right now she have the flu though. It look like I have the flu.
And the next time we never take the car, she never reach home right now, you know. She there, the name there, on the bridge I come home and leave.
I better check, what's your name? 99 auntie, that a little man mother. And say them can make 99
come
here
Friday.
tomorrow.
And them say Friday she for come tomorrow Friday. And then we are go school.
You feel like we could have asked the auntie what size she wear?
Yeah,
or can you say, I think she know?
No, she not gonna know. Look, man, supposed to wear the same size shoes.
No, not shoes.
Like
Panty and bra.
Cranberry.
See, no,
Cranberry
cannot
yeah.
No.
Listen, you can't do it by age.
At this me get one of them like fit her. I cheer
that's a training bra
you remember the purpose of what me end up getting 99. So that's something that say them wear the exact size.
But not in a panty though.
Not in a panty, that be more.
That's
That's
why I would need.
yeah.
And the
You
bra.
could ask, the auntie.
Yeah. Only Shana can't wear same size.
Oh, what? Go up there. Promise, lead the way.
Oh, daddy.
No, okay, I'm gonna go and lie down. Nana, need to take this serious, yeah? Because this is not normally Nana. From yesterday, you know, from the other day, I know now.
Ala foot warm.
Ah,
Walar.
Yeah, this is not Nana. This is not Nana. So Kenisha, where you get from there? You get anything towards it?
Last woman just end up get the pump.
Just the pump alone?
Me go try and make sure you don't like you see.
Yeah, the pump.
I'm gonna tell you, see, if she got you see now, then that gear someday, that they can feel it on her chest itself.
But the pump is just for the wheezing. But for the fever and the coughing, she needs something else for that.
Yeah, me make she get a cough.
Because you know, nothing she not get.
You eat? You can't eat same way.
In that bush, she could have a boil or something. She needs something though for try for you.
Leave her like fair and beat it and make sure drink it something. Come now. No, leave her like. Don't you look over for that. Remember, I pick up Nana for that.
How for money?
Nana, your money? Eh? Oh.
How for money?
Come on, give me it.
Mama,
It's not yours. It's not anything beside Nana. It's Nana.
No, me put it on the book.
Why? Why put it on the book?
I know we got her.
Don't you spend your money on buy sweetie.
No,
So it's not fair, no?
Come next time I change it to my friend when
not
just
your-
gone down from here to life.
But you always tell lies, so.
I see you, I threw my phone and I lick you down and beat you.
Go on, miss.
Come, I give me a drag back.
Look at my shirt.
Come, and I got Esther walk today. Esther?
I know what's up, man. Oh,
You know, when you bring back your cousin. No.
today. Oh, she have wedding today, no? You don't want to stay there, no?
Esther!
Something today.
Oh, shall I track something today?
Yeah.
Tomorrow, come check
3 days today. Friday, Saturday.
But she had to run?
Eh?
Jump.
Oh, jump.
You could have come jump. You can try to do it as you said, better. You could come and report to me.
I have to say, Esther?
Yeah. But guys, Nana, you know, that's not usually Nana. You know, so you can.
Esther, you don't
Fiancé
forget
said
for me
Nana
here,
really
the
sick.
teacher said, I need to cover me ear anytime I go in there to walk.
You want?
Yeah.
I tell you, you want a film cap.
It's about. So she not get nothing for it, nothing type of flu medicine, nothing at all. She needs something.
And you see pillow my mother buy for her, the pillow my father buy for her, help her. And my mother is away
Still
from.
at the waller at
Yeah.
From the corner, it's
She's roasting that fever.
This man when we go to school now, she act like fine now.
So why did you go?
No, father.
A week or up more.
She's
She said,
roasting.
but you know, Kina, she said she want to go to school. Her father said, Mommy said no. And George said, what? And she said, I want to go to school, I not stay home.
Want lunch money, that's why.
And you know how much money my mother give me? 5 kids, 3 days. Yeah, I said, I'm not doing that.
Look, man, look at Miss Mother. That's her auntie, so
Auntie?
she we're gonna let them call her.
No, she have her mother number. You can take her mother number.
No, you don't have her number.
Her mother dead.
Auntie, me I thought. Auntie was legit, me I thought.
Yeah, but her mother, her biological mother died.
So you never know that.
Who tell him that?
No,
For
you know.
yourself.
No, the one who live near, she call her mommy, see her name. And I thought her real mother. And it's Stacy, she name.
Wow.
Daddy.
We're going up more, Esther.
No, that me think I have to.
You think of yourself too as well.
I'm just stop again, they can call.
You catch me already more than one time.
You never show Tina. Look man, yeah, I never remember nothing. You know Tina? Why do you Tina turn fine? You know Esther? Candy last year, I saw you Tina.
Yeah, nice view from here, sir. At top of Jackson, sir. Nice view.
White mold, or white mold, or whatever them call it. Wait, don't still not reach?
It's not reach yet. I hope so.
No.
Evening.
Oh, yes, sir? Oh, yeah, yes, sir, we see the baby, yeah.
I order a liquor, miss.
Little miss, little man.
Hello.
Little miss.
Okay, basically I'm going to come to check the city, look at Miss Mother, for them to see if they could get, what's your name? Nine to come here tomorrow. Come here, something to give her. Evening, how are you doing?
Alright, I'm building on me. We're trying to get it on 99 mother.
Yeah.
And tell her.
Yeah.
You see, I can take her and tell her.
Yeah, come on, 99 to come tomorrow because we have something for her, yeah? So if you can let them know if you have to come tomorrow. Okay? That's all I came for. So come on. Yeah? Alright then, thank you. So just get 99 to come here tomorrow, yeah? Still in my hands.
Come on, you asleep.
She not did the cranberry. I look what up the hill make me hot.
Stop pushing at that. Yeah, you have a smart car.
Go ahead. Oh yeah, I from Toko. Alright guys, so we got the sizes, so she's going on a school trip tomorrow, so after she leaves school trip, then she will get it. So basically she's the same age as Cranberry as well too, you know. She's 12 as well too, but she's more bigger in body, you know, so we got the size, so we have 2 donations as well too, you know. So we have a donation from let me tell you the name, from Twist Jamaican Grill, you know, a donation for her from Twist Jamaican Grill, and also the broaden and underwears from Ione as well to from Canada. So tomorrow we'll get them and make sure of them. This Toko. Eh? Yeah, I know. Yeah. Like something of the day or so.
Yeah, like our own.
But Cranberry don't know that.
So we never live here.
Right there, so? That was the right.
I think I'll see live here.
They right here, so?
Yeah.
Oh.
I move it there, so try and put it and make us. We tonight you come home.
Talk about
George.
I don't have to read them.
I should not go to school.
Why?
Monday tomorrow she go to school. And teacher, I go make your mother pay. When you for money, I'm sorry for you.
talk on a cat. Loco. Shh, Loco. Hello, Loco. Shh, Loco. Loco. Alright guys, so we're going to head in now. We're going to head in and then we're going to get them stuff there for them tomorrow. But yeah? Yeah, do what? Masuka. So basically guys, you can see that Nana, she's really sick. Nana is really sick, so they need to she keep coughing same way. As I could hear her just now in the background, she's still coughing. So she haven't had nothing, so hopefully, then can get something to give her to help with the symptom. Because her temperature, she's so warm. So warm, guys. Trust me. Warm. Stay tuned. So stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna check my dog for a minute and then head back down because the dog feeding is not finished yet. So go and check her. And I'm gonna head back home, guys. So stay tuned. The puppy them.
Oh.
How much of them she get? Four of them. No fluffy one.
Nah, heat. How can I make it?
What's up? High five. She not eat? Worm. A worm.
Buy some worm tomorrow. What can I buy some the other day?
So on the 4 puppies should I get?
Yeah man, one next dog or one next one,
1, 2, 3, 4. That's 5.
One next dog or one next one.
And so she's not eating?
No, she not eat. You want to eat?
Probably have worm. She has worm, man. No shaggy dog. Should I get one of them called shaggy one? Maybe shaggy one then. One a shaggy one then.
How many you get one?
But she not none. You're not eating. She not feeling well. And you get a puppy chow?
Yeah man.
She eat it?
You don't want to eat it. Eat a little drop. Whenever you have a puppy, you're supposed to eat.
Yeah. Yeah, she's not an appetite yet. High five. You're not eating. High five. You're not eating. Hmm? You're not eating. What's wrong? How over there, sir? Oh, the puppy. Yeah. And puppy, well, that's a sharp bark. Them want breast. Watch like. We shouldn't want to get my breast right now. The mother stress. Like she said, leave me alone, yeah, man. The more breast. Yeah.
You look down like that when you do it puppy.
Like she got stress, guys. Imagine that the puppy them want milk, you know, but like she's not in the mood. So she just walk off, left them and gone up there and sit down. Like she said, yo, go on and leave me, man. She just walk gone. Yeah. She's stressed, man. She's stressed. She probably wants some cooked food.
Cook dumpling or just
dumpling? Yeah, I got the dumpling. Alright guys, so you know we're going to edit now. You know we're going to edit in and then we're going to get them stuff there for them tomorrow. You know.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.